launch pad coming up.
Oh god, why would you do that ever in a car? Alright, so I haven't recorded a proper video in a while, so I figured I would boot up my Xbox and try this game that I promised a while back, Need for Speed Payback. I can't say I've actually played it, so let's see how it turns out. I mean, the visuals look nice. Let's see here. Okay, so I definitely see you need to be connected to the internet for this to work. Oh, really? Only for entertainment purposes? You know, we'll just go with the medium setting, just because I haven't played proper racing games in a while. Oh, look, it's my car! And it's the same color, too. God, I love my M3. Cool. I'll drive racing, challenge other racers in freeform races, yada yada yada. Don't really care. Wow. That's one ugly C6. Cool. Multicolor underglow. Yay, because Need for Speed Underground. And I guess 3 new cars. The Giulia Quadrifoglio, the Range Rover Sport SVR, and the Colorado ZRT. Why would you race a freaking Chevy pickup truck in this game? I don't get it. Oh. What? I don't want to change my freaking password.
But you're still gonna lose.
I already won. You just don't know it yet.
Oh boy, back to this style of storytelling. Kind of reminds me of Need for Speed The Run a little bit. Well, I guess you're just thrown right into the action.
I'll be waiting for you guys at the garage.
I thought this was supposed to be a friendly race.
Oh, this handling is weird.
Last one washes Rap's car. This is serious business.
So we're racing against some dude in M5, I think it's CS.
Netto job.
Aren't you?
Biggest job we've ever done? You bet I am.
Okay, so that's nitrous. Vroom vroom.
Heads up!
Oh. Okay, well I guess we're doing some off-roading stuff. Sean McAllister. That's an original name. Oh, they're doing it like the Forza style of things? Okay, well that's kind of cheap.
Sick jump.
Yeah, this is exactly like how Forza Horizon starts. 3, 4... I haven't played 5 yet, but that's on the list of things to do.
We are cleared for takeoff. Sorry for being so awesome.
Fine, I was just going easy on you.
Jessica Miller. I wonder if she was drinking some Miller Lite before this. That kind of driving, jeez.
You might even be ahead if you weren't such a show-off.
She's not wrong.
Vroom vroom.
Matt?
The mechanic tells me that the twin-turbo V8
I'm shaking my head.
in this thing is not the most reliable. But then again, I feel like BMW cars are getting uglier and uglier and less reliable.
You in front.
The finish is where it counts.
Where did they come from? They weren't even there. Oh my god. Stupid. So
Nice move.
what is this about? Okay, cool, nice moves, whatever.
Always one step ahead, buddy.
Oh, for a second I thought that was an ugly Corvette we saw on the loading screens. Does anyone ever close their door that lightly? I don't think so. And I love how she has like an iPhone.
Don't, Morgan. You'll be driving the prize. You and your crew better pull this off.
See, what did I say? Lena Navarro is the best damn fixer in Silver Rock.
Where did that car come from? That wasn't even there a moment ago. Let's just like random things happening. Oh god, okay, so he's like the stereotypical like mechanic
You built this all
looking
yourself?
all dirty and
Given enough
stuff.
time and attention, an artist can turn any pile of scrap into a supercar.
Yeah, it just takes a crap ton of money.
Okay, guys. You know what we do now.
Party?
Practice.
Aw, the dog is cute though. I just realized he has a little puppy. Aw. Oh, let's see what we're up to.
Raph, the kick on this thing is out of this world.
Better learn to handle it if you're gonna pull off this job. The prize car has double that horsepower.
You know, this actually handles much better than like
You got time to
the other
race
cars in the
before
tutorial.
it's done. We'll handle the hard stuff.
I do find the checkpoint thing interesting. Oh, wait, no, I lied. Okay, that handling is god awful.
One thing at a time, focusing on the job.
Been busting my ass out here for 3 years. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'm gonna fly in my dad's 65 Mustang, fix it up like you, then put together the...
This is definitely not what I'm used to. Okay, so I think that's the handbrake.
Jet, how about you?
Got some serious debts I'll find to
Okay,
get rid
so
of.
I'm starting to get a little bit of a hang on this. I mean, the visuals are actually really good.
Get the perfect.
But then again, this game's from 2017, I'm not surprised.
Get myself into.
Oh. Come on.
That's what I'm talking about.
See, the thing with the tunnels is, like, you don't know where you're going because it's so dark at first.
What? Silver Rock.
Come on.
You didn't grow up in the barrio. Tyler and I did.
It wasn't all bad. Maybe who I am.
My point exactly. Come on, Tyler. You gotta push harder.
Relax, Lena. You know I can do this. It's why you agreed to the job.
Sharp turn ahead.
Race to lift a hypercar loaded with prototype black market tech. Not tell me to
Okay,
relax.
so that required a little bit more, of a button press. Oh, I am rusty. Oh god. Oh no!
Your jumping skills, bruv?
Yeah. Where are you?
I could have saved that.
Coming?
Oh, well, guy in the Bel Air is back.
Yeah.
Mr. McAllister.
Not bad, bruv.
Drive
Pull off
this-
that jump on the job, and we'll be golden.
This doesn't seem like a city to me. It seems kind of like the outskirts in the desert.
Soft brown.
I'm like falling way behind. Come on. Why doesn't Nitrous build as fast as I want? Oh,
Road ahead. Push this thing as hard as you can. See if you can keep her under control.
God, why is it people can't drive even in video games?
Every gang in town wants their hands on the prototype tech in that car.
I'm sure. But they're not getting the car until I take a peek under that hood myself.
I used up every favor and contact I have getting her to drive this race. You cannot fail.
Guys, nothing to worry about. This crew right here, we're the best this city's ever seen.
Okay, now I'm like a construction zone or
Time to
something.
make us some
So, okay, so yeah, this is looking more like a city. Okay. And now all of a sudden it's nighttime for some reason, or getting close to nighttime, twilight.
Fortune Valley. A gambler's paradise in the desert. You can buy anything here, even luck. Let the rich play with cards.
Okay,
and
so
dice.
yeah,
Those
clearly
of us
this is
born in the
inspired by
shadow of the casinos, we
Las
take
Vegas,
our
Nevada.
chances at 100 miles an hour.
100 miles an hour.
Everyone in position? Jeff?
Well, I guess that concludes the tutorial section, and now we're actually going to get to the story.
Ready to roll.
You named your truck the Mac Attack?
She named herself.
Raph, just get the car to me and I'll take care of the rest.
Time to make us all rich, Tyler.
That's a very pretty Koenigsegg.
The gambler's here.
Well, look at that. It is a beautiful day for a race.
Well, I guess it's still kind of tutorial-ish.
4-to-1 odds of taking first place. Now, I know this prototype won't let me down. The question is, can you handle her? Those electric motors and twin-turbo V8
Oh
will
boy,
give you a
let's see how
combined
this goes.
Horsepower. Yeah, I can handle it.
Woohoo! Good boy! You've done your homework. Now listen. Second place doesn't get me, Jack. Got it? You seem like a hot hand. Don't screw this up, all right, hotshot?
Do you suspect anything?
Not a thing.
Okay then. Well, that seems kind of dramatic-ish for no reason. Oh, you can at least control the res. Let's see what this can do.
Whoa, the power and torque on this thing. Rap's souped-up Mustang doesn't even come close.
Tyler, you're like a brother
Miss
to me,
Yellow.
but I hate you so much right now.
They say you're the best racer in town, Morgan.
It is really easy smacking cars around in this game.
Get ready. You've got to hit the rendezvous.
And apparently it's hard to recover.
You've only got one shot at this. Once you hit that jump, there'll be no turning back.
Alright, let's see what we can do here. Ay, caramba, okay.
Coming up on the rendezvous. You better be in position.
I'm almost there.
Almost. Mac.
Just line her up and floor it. Trust me.
Alright. So, I mean, it looks like there's some straightaways, or at least where I can catch a little bit of speed.
Mac, coming in high.
One launch pad coming up.
Oh god, why would you do that ever in a car? Yeah, this game's trying way too hard to be like Fast and the Furious.
Can I mention again how much I hate you?
That's our paycheck you're driving, Morgan.
Well, apparently I'm in first.
Look out for a silver Koenigsegg Regera. Vehicle is of
Or, well, I don't, where is everyone? They all just like this. Oh, that was a close one. Ah, god.
Regera's high value. You are to arrest the subject with minimal damage.
Well, that was a dramatic entrance by the Ford.
I'll be right there.
Oh, whoa, that was really close. Oh, God bless it.
Whatever you're thinking of.
Yeah, this is still the tutorial phase.
Back to me right now. You mad?
Oh, he...
And wow, my driving skills are rusty.
Now head northbound on Carson Street.
Copy. Now northbound on Carson Street.
Freaking Dodge Caliper.
1 out of 13, we're on them. They're now in Silver Rock.
All units 1 out of 13 have resumed pursuit of the subject.
Why are you slowing down?
Where are you?
In the real world, this would not be a thing.
Hold on.
Jess?
Got your back, big guy.
Well, apparently BMW now.
One down.
And the Koenigsegg is completely gone. See, this game likes to pull like a lot of magic tricks that make no sense. Oh, for goodness sakes. Okay.
Stay on the M5.
They're gonna lock down the whole sector. Better get rid of them fast.
Got them on the...
Oh. Okay. Is that like a pursuit breaker or something?
them away from you.
Rest of the keeping this off the Regera. It's heavily modded to immobilize units and resist arrest.
Oh boy.
Copy, Adam 13. All standard pursuit tactics are Morgan. Why haven't you got the car to grab yet?
Still got a few cops on me. I gotta find a way to disappear fast.
I'm going
So rude.
Jess, come to me.
On my way.
See you there.
I have like no idea where I'm going, and these barricades are like really easy to see, and they're all sorts of extra for no reason. Oh no.
Yeah, we got this.
Oh my god, I guarantee you both of those cars' suspension would be so messed up. And a lot more.
Home, bro.
Having rebuilt a car myself, oh boy.
Driving, Morgan. Glad I took a chance on your crew.
I just don't like the handling, it's so weird.
Morgan, 23 years
It's not like
Sylvia Morgan, father unknown.
linear. You feel like you're going a certain direction and it doesn't want to go in that direction. It's still kind of like...
Good luck catching.
Oh, okay. Well, that was an interesting
What the hell?
playthrough.
What's going on?
I'm on my way.
Raph.
Drama, drama, drama.
Take that car. Thank you, officer.
What have you done?
Didn't Rev tell you what's under that hood? My buyers are paying a fortune for it.
You'll never get away with this, Navarro!
Cops are on their way. The house sends their regards.
Oh, betrayal. How predictable. That was also kind of like dumb. Why would you leave the keys in the car? Oh, and of course, the moment you look back, they're gone.
Hi, what are you doing?
Drawing the cops away.
Come on, that's
Oh
my
boy.
job.
I brought Navarro on board. This is on me. Just get Mac and Rav to safety.
I've got a police scanner.
Turn, God bless it. Okay.
Please let me help you. Head towards the spillway, but you've got to hurry. Cops are locking down the sector.
Oh, really? Ugh. Okay, so it just kind of guides you in the right direction so you don't go into the barricade, which was already there.
Take a right.
Okay, we got a little hopping action from that car.
Take a left, there's a lot. 35. All available units, please respond.
I'm also not sure how I feel about the nitrous in this game. It takes a while to, like, to kick in.
Never.
Oh, and apparently I have my hazards on.
Lost 4 roadblocks. Hard right, then a left at the next corner. Now heading southbound on Carson Street.
Freaking U-35.
Southbound on Carson Street. Keep going.
I wonder what glitches I can find on this game.
Doesn't matter.
From what I've seen on YouTube, some. I could probably find more. Oh, crap.
Almost there.
So much drama. Oh, crap.
Control the red GTR and jump down on
Okay, now I'm escaping the city. Wasn't that the goal in the first place? Like, what the hell?
You're doing good, Ty, but now's not the time to relax. The cops have
Turn!
coming. They're putting the entire city on lockdown.
Oh, well, F you, buddy.
Cars on me.
What? Where did they come from?
Ah, boy. Okay, well, apparently I have less than 2.5 minutes to escape the city. Which apparently is 2.5 seconds.
Hell.
Where's the car?
Lena Navarro. She played us both and took it for the house.
Did she? You're useless to me. Enjoy prison.
Okay.
Although, you'll want revenge. So will I. Yeah, this'll work. You'll be the ace, but I'm the one who holds the cards.
What are you talking about?
Hear that? Cops are almost here. Go to jail or work for me. Eat, sleep, drive when I say, and when the time is right, you get what you want.
Oh my god, so much drama and theatrics.
There's always...
They're really playing this, casino thing really a lot. I mean, I get it's the theme of the game, but geez.
Say you pull up next to a real sweet ride. What do you think? How much does it cost?
Oh, okay.
How fast can it hit it?
Well, I guess that's
I tell you what
the
I
tutorial section.
I see potential. I see the knife's edge of control. That split second.
I love how the tires say Need for Speed on it. That was a nice touch.
I see myself winning it all.
Morgan! The boss would like his car now.
Yeah. I'll be right there.
Looking like a valet driver. Oh, it looks like that was the end of the tutorial section, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, rate, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys next time.
Speed trap times. I've been itching.